Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Hope the screen is visible. If you are not getting the clear view of this video, you can change the setting in the quality, whatever the pixels you want. In advanced section you can change so that you can clearly view the video and whatever the contents are there. So friends, let's start with our discussion that in today's session we are going to discuss the permutations. In that, the part 1 we are going to discuss, that is what is the definition of permutation, what are the factorial values, how we are getting the factorial values, and what are the types of numericals we are getting in the permutation part, that we are going to discuss. As we are targeting the GATE 2022 exam, also this permutations is very much important if you are giving other technical and non-technical exams. Like this permutations that can be used in the general aptitude. So these can be used in the technical and non-technical exams also. And if you consider the GATE exam, mostly for the permutations and combination, near about 2 to 4 marks questions will be there. And these are very simple questions, just you have to remember some simple tricks that we are going to discuss in today's lecture, and based on that tricks you can solve that and you can grab that marks. So friends, let's start with our part 1 regarding the permutation. In the next part, whatever we are discussing, that we'll discuss in the end of the session. So first we'll discuss the part 1. So first of all, we are going to discuss the definition of permutation. So what is meant by permutation? We have seen the permutation comes with a combination, but permutation and combination, these are two different entities. So later on we will discuss the combination, but today we are going to discuss the permutation. So permutation is an arrangement of objects in a definite order. The members or the elements of a sets are arranged in a sequence or a linear order. So that we are getting the formula for permutation, that is NPR, that is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So what is meant by this small n? This small n is the total number of objects. Total number of objects we are getting. And this small r is nothing but number of objects we are going to select, and that object which we are selecting, that we are arranging. So the formula of permutation is NPR, where in the permutation we are doing the number of possible arrangement in a set when the order of arrangements is matter. Order of arrangement is matter. So for example, we are having a 3-letter word, that is A, B, C, and this 3-letter word we want to arrange in a such a way that we have to select all 3 letters. All 3 letters we have to select, and based on these 3 letters we have to make the word. So we are having this 3-letter word A, B, C. How we are going to arrange that? So first arrangement A, B, C as it is. Second arrangement, what we are getting? B at a start, A and C. And third arrangement, we are getting C at start, then A and B. These are the 3 arrangements. Again, we can change the sequence like this. In a fourth way, what we are getting? Changing the position of C and B. We are getting like this. Then fifth, changing the position of A and C, B, C, A, and here the changing the position of A and B, C, B, A. So you can get the 6 different possible ways we can arrange this 3-letter word ABC. 3-letter word ABC we can arrange in a 6 ways. Now we can see with the formula what we are having. Small n is a 3 and R also 3. So how we can get NPR, which is nothing but n factorial upon n minus R factorial. So n factorial means 3 factorial and 3 minus 3, that we are getting 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is 1. We are going to discuss the different factorial values later on, but remember 0 factorial value is 1. So 3 factorial value we are getting, that is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is 6 into 1 6. So we can get the 6 ways. Now suppose we are having this 3-letter word ABC, and among this 3-letter, if you want to select only 2 letters and we have to arrange. So we have to select 2 letters only from this 3-letter word and we have to arrange that thing. So how we are going to arrange? First we will get AB, then BC, then we can change the arrangement BA, then CB, then AC and CA. Here also 6 ways we can arrange. 6 ways we can arrange. By using the formula also we are getting the same value. N is equal to 3 and we have to select the number of objects. R is nothing but the number of objects we are selecting, that is 2. So NPR, based on that we are getting 3 factorial upon 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 factorial, that is nothing but 1 factorial. 1 factorial value is 1. So 3 factorial value is nothing but 6. So by using this formula and with the arrangement we can get it. The combination is a different word that we are going to discuss in a later part. We will not focus upon the combination, but only consider that in a permutation we are making the arrangement of the things, and in a combination we have to select or choose the things, and based we have to arrange. So permutation we have to arrange the things, and in a combination we are selecting the things. That is the only difference. That per combination we are going to discuss in a later part. We will focus upon this permutation. Now these factorial values we are going to discuss. These are the different factorial values, and based on that factorial values we will get the different answers. So these are the factorial values. So factorial values, the formula is n factorial, that is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to 1. So whatever the n factorial value we have to get by using this formula. And here the 0 factorial is always 1, keep in mind. So why I have given this factorial values? You can take the screenshot of this factorial values, and based on this screenshot you can check or you will get the different answers, whatever the factorial value you get in your problem, and based on that factorial value you can directly get your answer. So you can take the screenshot of this factorial values. Take the screenshot of this factorial values. Hope you have taken the screenshot of this factorial values. Why I given these factorial values? Take an example. If you want to take the 6 factorial. So by using the formula 6 factorial, how we are getting? 6 n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we have to multiply and we have to get the answer. But directly if you know the answers, so whatever the question you are getting in your exam, you can get the directly, you can click the answers directly. So you will save your time. So exam most important thing is you have to save your time. So why you are going to save your time? How? You have to remember these factorial values. So up to these 4 factorial, 5 factorial values you can easily count out. But if you are going beyond this 7, 8 factorial value, 9 factorial value, 11 or 12 factorial values, not every time the formula is used, or it will be helpful to you whenever you are solving. It will take more time to calculate the answers. So my suggestion is to remember all the factorial values. Remember all factorial value. Hello Hussein sir. Hello Barve sir. Hello Technical Engineering. Hope you are getting all the points, liking the sessions. If you like it, click on like button and subscribe our channel. So take the screenshot of this factorial value. 7 factorial. If you are calculating value 7 factorial, then we have to do 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then all the multiplication and based on that. So some students will say that, sir, in GATE exam we are having the virtual calculator. There we can put the values and we'll get the answer. So why to remember all the factorial values? But remember, there are some exams where the calculator, any type of calculator, either virtual or your calculator that you are using, that not be used, you are not allowed to use that calculator. So there only thing is to remember the values. That's why I am saying that you have to take the screenshot of these factorial values. Remember all factorial values. So students are joining now. Hope they are like the whatever the things we are discussing. If you like it, click on like button and subscribe our channel. Now next, one thing I will give you to remember the factorial value or to solve the answer. So we are having the formula for permutation, that is NPR, which is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Now suppose we are having the equation we are getting based on the arrangement and the things which are given, 3p2 that we are getting. No need to use the formula like 3 factorial 3 upon 3 minus 2 factorial. So whatever the r we are getting, based on that we have to arrange n in a reverse order. Means like that you can get 2 we are having and 3. So 3 you have to arrange in a reverse order. You have to minus 1 and you have to arrange this in reverse order. 3 into 2, that is 6. We have already seen 3 by 3p2 with the formula 3 factorial upon 3 minus 2 factorial, that is 3 factorial upon 1 factorial. Value is 1. 3 factorial that we are getting, 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. So you can get here. If you are having higher values 4p3, so there also 4 you have to write down in a reverse way in a 3 times. So 4 into 3 into 2. So 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2, 24. So you are getting that point. Now if higher values are there, that is 7p3, no need to use this formula. We can get the answer. You have to write down 7 in a reverse way 3 times. 7, 6 into 5. So 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 7, 210, that we are getting the answer. Now tell me the answer for this one, 8p4. What is the answer for this one? By using this trick, what is the answer for this one, 8p4? 8p4. So without using the calculator or the formula, we can find out the answer. So what is the value of this 8p4? Small n is 8 and r is equal to 4. So what is the answer for this? Answer for this one, 8p4. So you can comment in the chat box. Simply you have to reverse 8 with minus 1 from this 4 ways. So what is the answer? In chat box you can write down. So what we have to do? We have to write in a reverse manner. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. What is the answer? What is the answer for this one? 1680. You can use the virtual calculator or you can do the answer 210 into 8. Based on that you will get 1680. So there you can use this trick to find out the answer. Now what are the numericals we are going to discuss in this session? So permutation, we are having two types of numericals that you are getting in your exam. One is a number types, other is a words type. In numbers, you have to arrange the numbers which contains 0 and which contains not 0. Means without 0 and with 0, you have to arrange the numbers and you have to find out the different 2-digit, 3-digit or 6-digit numbers. How we are getting that we are going to discuss. So first type of numericals we are getting in the permutation based on the numbers, that is with 0 and without 0. And in the words we are getting the different letters in the word we are having, and these letters if they are repeated and non-repeated letters, based on that how we are arrange the word, that type of problem we are getting. Then when the repetition is allowed and not allowed, how the types of arrangement of words can be done, that we are going to discuss in the word problem. Then always together. Always together means what? In vowels we are having in words we are having vowels and consonants. So every word is combination of these two, vowels and consonant. So when the vowels are always together, how we can arrange the words, and when the consonants are always together, how we are going to arrange the word, that we are going to discuss in a word type of problem. Then same, never together, when vowels are never together and consonants are never together. When the vowels are together and when consonants are never together, that we are going to discuss. Then odd and even places. There also, when vowels are in the odd position or the vowels are in even position, how we are going to arrange the words. Then consonants are in the even place and odd place, how we are going to arrange, that we are going to discuss in this word type of problem. So types of numerical we are getting in the permutation based on the numbers and words. In numbers, without zero, with zero, and in types of words, repeated and non-repeated letters. Repetition of letters is allowed and not allowed. Then always together, vowels are together, consonants are together. Never together, when the vowels are never together or consonants are never together. Odd and even places, when the vowels are arranged in a odd places or even places and the consonants are arranged in a odd places and even places. Good evening, Thakre sir. Good to see you back. Now we are going to discuss the examples for this numbers type. So first type we are going to discuss without zero, without repetition. Means the digit repetition is not allowed and in that digits the zero is not contained. How we are going to arrange that word. So first example we are having that how many different 3-digit numbers can be arranged by using 5, 7 and 9 as no digit being repeated. So digit repetition is not allowed and we have to find out or we have to get a 3-digit number by using 5, 7, 9. So how we are getting? So by using the formula also we can solve it. By using the formula we can solve it, but see the first shortcut trick. This is very simple and later on I will give you the formula and based on that also we will get that which one is simple, which we are saving the time. You can use that method. Now see here we are having a 3 digits 5, 7 and 9 and we have to find out the 3-digit number. Now this 5, 7 and 9 that will come at the first position. All 3 digits they will come at first position. Sometimes the 5 will come at first position, sometimes 7 will come at first position and sometimes 9 will come at second position. So every digit can come at first position. So all 3 digits will come at first position. Now if you are written one digit, any one digit, then we can't repeat. So remaining digits are 2. So these 2 we can arrange in a 2 different ways for the second position, and if we are using the second we can't use this first 2. Only remaining is 1 and we have to multiply. So 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Simple. How many digits? 3 digits. Every digit will come at first place, that is 3 times. If we are written one digit, remaining are only 2. So we can write here 2. If we are written 2, remaining is 1. Good evening, Amrut. Yes, you are late, but you can get, we are having the examples, so you will understand that. And later on you will see the remaining part and there you will understand the basic, you are clear the basic. So 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. So by using the formula, we are having 3 digits and we have to form, we have to form a 3-digit number. So formula is NPR, that is 3P3, that we know that 3 factorial upon N minus R, 3 minus 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 0 factorial. So 0 factorial value is 1. So we are getting 3 factorial. 3 factorial value 3, 2, 1, that is 6. So which one is simple, this one or this one? This first method is simple or second method is simple? You can put in the chat box which one is simple, First method or second method? Which method is simple? First one or second one? Which one is simple? First one or second one? You can comment in a chat box. So in the next example, we will use either one or second method. First or second method, we can use that. Hope you are getting all the points. We are solving the numericals. We already discussed the definition and what are the types of numerical we are going to discuss. Now we are discussing the numericals. Both first and second are good. Thank you, Amrut. But for saving your time in the exam, always the first method is useful. Always the first method is useful. But you have to remember the tricks. So you will get based on the second example. Now tell me, second example, answer of that. How many different 5-digit numbers can be arranged using odd numbers? Using odd numbers from 1 to 9 as no digit being repeated. So odd numbers from 1 to 9. Here we have to select 1 and 9 both. So how many odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and lastly 9. So how many total? 5 odd numbers are there. 5 odd numbers. And by using these 5 odd numbers, we have to form a 5-digit number. We have to form a 5-digit number. So how you will get? So by the formula and by the shortcut trick, we can solve that. So 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5-digit, and based on this 5-digit we have to form the 5-digit number. So last example we have seen every digit will come at first place. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 digits will come at first place if we are arranging all the 5 numbers. Now if, for example, if you are written 1, then we can't use, because the condition we are given that no digit being repeated, we can't use again that digit. So 1 if we are written, so remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits will come at second position. Now suppose we have taken 3, so remaining are 3. So 3 digits will come at third position. If you are written 5, remaining 2 digits will come at fourth position, and 7 if you are written, remaining is 1. Just you have to multiply. So that is nothing but the 5 factorial value. What is the 5 factorial value? What is the 5 factorial value? We have seen the factorial values. This is nothing but the 5 factorial. This is nothing but the 5 factorial. The multiplication is simple. There we can multiply it very easily. But at the start of the session or in between that, we are given the factorial values, and hope you have taken the screenshot, and based on this 5 factorial value you have to get the answer. What is the 5 factorial value? What is the answer of the same? Five factorial value. What is the answer? Pratik, not 5. 5 factorial values answer 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is the answer we are getting? What is the answer? You can comment in the chat box. 5 factorial value. We have seen, or you can multiply 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 2, that is 120, 120 into 1, that is 120. So final answer is 120. So how many 5-digit numbers can be get or arranged by using the odd numbers 1 to 9? That is 120. 120 numbers will get. 120 numbers will get. So by using the formula NPR, where N is equal to 5 and R is equal to 5. So 5 factorial upon 5 minus 5 factorial. That we are getting N factorial upon N minus R factorial, NPR formula. So 5 minus 5 is 0 factorial, 0 factorial value is 1. So we are getting 5 factorial. So 5 factorial value is nothing but 120. These are very simple. They are asked near about 1 to 2 marks, and we can't lose this 1 to 2 marks. We have to understand the concept and you have to use that concept to get the good marks. Now we have seen without 0, without repetition. Now here without 0 with repetition means whatever the digits we are given, that can be repeated. How many times repeated? That is based on the how many digits of numbers we have to find out. So for that, the example we are having, how many different 4-digit numbers can be arranged by using 2, 4, 6, 8 as digit being repeated. So whatever the digits we are used, that can be used again and again. So how many digit number? 4-digit number we have to form, and we have to use that 4-digit whatever we are given, and that can be repeated. So there is a possibility that all 4 digits will come at first position. Now if you are written the 2, 4, 6 and 8 at this first position, can we again use all these 4, 2, 4, 6, 8? Because the condition is given that the digits is being repeated. Digits can be repeated. So again we can use that 4 digits second position. Again we can use 4 digit in the third position. Again we can use the 4 digit in the second position. So all 4 digits will be come in the first, second, third and fourth. All 4 digits. So there is a possibility when the digits is being repeated. We can use like this. 2 can be get at first position, second position, third position and fourth position, because the digit is repeated. Then 4 can be first position, second, third, fourth. 6 can be used first, second, third and fourth. 8 can be used first, second, third and fourth. So we can repeat the digits. So based on that, we are getting the 4-digit numbers. The 4 possible choices will be there in the first, second, third and fourth. Based on that, we are getting the final answer 4/4. 4/4. So what is the value of 4/4? What is the value of 4/4? You can split that 4 square into 4 square if you want. If you are not getting all 4/4 answer, you can split that 4 square into 4 square, and based on that you will get the answer. So what is the answer for this one? 4 square into 4 square, or 4 is to 4? Yes, anyone? What is the answer you are getting? 4 is to 4. This is very simple one. Four is to 4. I will give the answer. That is 256. So how many 4-digit numbers can we get by using the digits 2, 4, 6 and 8 as the digit is being repeated? That is 256. 256 4-digit numbers can be formed. Now here, whenever we are using the formula, this cannot be used whenever we are doing the repetition. And here, whatever the digits we are having, based on that digits we can use the different formulas here. So we are having 4 digits, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 is to 4 we are getting, and based on that we are getting the answer, that is 256. Now find out the answer for this without 0 with repetition. How many different 3-digit numbers can be arranged using the even numbers from 1 to 9 as the digit being repeated? The even numbers from 1 to 9. So what are the even numbers from 1 to 9? What are the even numbers from 1 to 9? That is 2, 4, 6 and 8. We can't select 0 because they are given the condition even numbers from 1 to 9. 2, 4, 6 and 8 that we can use. So total how many? 4 numbers are there. 4 even numbers from 1 to 9. And we have to form a 3-digit number. 3-digit number. So we have seen earlier example. Based on that also we can get the answer here also. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 numbers will come at this first position. All 4 numbers will come at this first position. All 4 numbers will come at second position or possible choices. All 4 numbers will come at third position. So first digit, all possible combination they can be get here. For the second digits, all 4 will be came here, and for third digit all 4 came here. So 4 into 4 into 4. What we are getting? 4 raised to 3, that is, or we can write down 4 into 4, 16 into 4. Based on that also 16 into 4, that is 64. So these are very simple questions. These are very simple questions that are asked in the GATE exam or other technical and non-technical exams. So you have to remember the tricks, you have to understand the concept, and based on that you can find out the answers. Hope you are getting this. Can we move towards next question? Yes, you can write in the chat box. You can press the like button if like the contents, and if you are not subscribed this, you can subscribe this channel. Are you getting all the points which we are discussing? That is very much important whenever you are solving or getting all the questions in your exams. Hello. Is there any doubt? You can put into the chat box. If no, we can go to forward to our next point, that we have to arrange the numbers which containing 0 but without repetition, which containing 0 without repetition. So 0 will be there, but we can't repeat the digits. So for example, we are having how many different valid 3-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as no digit being repeated. We have to get a valid 3-digit even numbers, valid 3-digit even numbers. So even numbers means at the unit digit it should contain 0 or 2, 4 or 6, as we are given these digits only 0, 2, 4 and 6. At the unit digits, these digits will be there. So we have to get the unit digit, so 3-digit number. So there is a possibility that at one number the 0 will be there. Then there is a possibility that at the one digit you will be getting 2. Then there is a possibility that you will get at unit digit as 4, and you will get a 6 as a unit digit, 6 at the unit digit. We have to get the even numbers. Even numbers means from these digits, whatever the digits we are giving, this digit should be at unit digit number 0, 2, 4 and 6. So this position is fixed. So these are the number of possible choices. One possible choices when we are writing the 0 at the unit digit. This is the one possible choice we are writing the 2 at the unit digit. Then this is the one choice we are writing whenever we are getting the 4 at the unit digit, and this is the one choice we are getting whenever we are writing the 6 at the unit digit. Now we have to get the whatever the numbers we are getting at the first and second place. As we are given the condition that no digit being repeated, digit repeat नहीं करना क्या, digit repeat it not be possible. We are not going to repeat that digit. So we have written 0. So what are the possible choices we will get at first position? We have written 0, so 0 will be gone there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 possible choices will be there at the first. Now if we are written 1, so remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So we are getting 6 into 5 into 1, not a 0. 0 is the possible choices we are getting because we are getting the even digit number we have to form. So 6 into 5 into 1, that we are getting 30. So this is the one way we are getting the valid 3-digit even number when we are having at the unit digit as 0. Now here, as we know, whenever we are writing the numbers either 3-digit, 2-digit or 4-digit or any digit of number, we can't write that digit number starting with a 0. Now suppose this example 2 we are having at the unit digit and we have written 1 at the second and first as 0. So if we are written 0 at this first position, this cannot be a 3-digit number, it will be a 2-digit number. It will be a 2-digit number. So 0 cannot be at a first place. 0 cannot be a first place. So with 0, if you are solving, the 0 cannot be at first place. So we have written 2 here, the 0 we can't write. So remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits. Now here in the second position we can use the 0. Like here you can get 0, 1, 0, 2. Second position as 0. So this will be a 3-digit number. or we can get 1 2 0. This will be a 3-digit number. But if you are writing at the first position, this first position, if you are writing the 0, then it will not be a 3-digit number, it will become a 2-digit number. Keep in mind. So first digit will not be a 0. So we have written 2 at the unit digit, 0 we can't use. So remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Now we can use the 0 at the second position, 2 already written. So among these 7, 2 we have used, remaining are 5. So 5 into 5 into 1. 5 into 5 into 1. 2 is the possible choice. Don't consider that 2. This is 1 we have to consider. So 5 into 5 into 1, that we are getting 25. So same can be used for this second and third. So first position cannot be a 0, we are getting 5. 0 we can use at the second position as we are used 4. So remaining are out of 7, 2 used, remaining are 5. Here also 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 1, that we are getting 25. Second, 5 into 5 into 1, that we are getting 25. Just we have to add this number. So 25 plus 25, 50 plus 25, 75 plus 30, we are getting 105. So 105 valid 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 whenever the digits is not being repeated. Hope you getting all the points. If you are getting all the points, you can like the video and subscribe this channel. And if you are getting all the points, you can put in the chat box. You can put that into the chat box based on the emoji or whatever the points you are getting. You can write down in the chat box, waiting for your answers. That will boost my energy. Are you getting all the points? You can comment in the chat box. Those who are live and listening the session, you can put into the chat box. Hope you are getting all the points. So 105 valid 3-digit numbers we can get by using the digits which are given. Now with 0 without repetition. So that question came in a GATE 2015 for the 2 marks. This is a NAT type question. So in a GATE we are having 3 types of questions. One is objective, second one is a NAT type, and third one MSQ, that was added in GATE 2020. That was added in a GATE 2020. So this was the NAT type question, means you have to get the answers and you have to write down the answer based on the virtual keyboard which are given. Now what we are getting, question is what? How many different 4-digit numbers can be formed with the 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if no number can start with 0, and if repetition is not allowed or repetitions are not allowed. So we have to form a 4-digit number, and this 4-digit number by using this 10 digits. 10 digits are 0 is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By using this 10-digit number we have to form, but that number cannot be start with a 0. So first position will not be a 0. Second, third, fourth we can use that. But first position will not be 0. So if you are not using the 0, we can use the remaining numbers at first position. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all 9 numbers we can write down at first position. Now whatever the condition we are given, that is valid here. And based on that condition we can write the numbers. Based on the condition we can write the numbers. We have written the numbers that 9 numbers can come. 0 will not be there. Now the digits are not repeated. We are not allowed to repeat the digit. Now possible condition that we have written 1. Now we can use 0, second, third and fourth position. So how many numbers are remaining now? From the 10 digits 1 is gone. From 10 digits 1 is gone, remaining are 9. Now 0 and 1, suppose they are gone. So how many remaining? From the 10, 2 are gone, 8, and this third number is gone. From these 10 digits 3 numbers are gone. So remaining are 7. So we can get 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. These are the possible 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 0 to 9 when the number cannot be start with a 0 and repetition is not allowed. The repetition is not allowed. So 9 cross 9 cross 8 cross 7, or we can say 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. So find out the answer. You can put your answer in a chat box. Put your answers in a chat box. Nine cross 9 cross 8 in cross 7. You can put into the chat box. This was the question came in a GATE 2015 for 2 marks, which is a NAT type question. What is the answer? 9 cross 9 cross 8 cross 7. Write your answer in the chat box. You can write your answer in the chat box. In GATE, virtual calculator is allowed. So by using the virtual calculator you will get the answer. But in some exams the virtual calculators or any kind of calculators are not allowed. There you have to do the multiplication and you have to get the answer. So what is the answer for this one? 9 cross 9, 81. 7 into 8, 56. You can do the multiplication and you will get the answer. The answer is nothing but 4536. 4536. That is the answer, final answer. So how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? 4536 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 10 digits from 0 to 9, where the number cannot be start with a 0 and the repetition is not allowed. The repetition is not allowed. So you will get easily 2 marks. In GATE, getting the good marks or getting secure the rank is very easy if you know the concept and if you know what are the points you want to discuss or you have to study. In GATE, what are the important points? The link for that is kept in the description box. You can check it. that engineering mathematics and general aptitude, engineering mathematics for 15 marks and general aptitude for 15 marks, both will give you the complete 30 marks. And by using the other technical questions, you will get near about 20 plus or 30 plus. So by using this 30 or plus 20 plus marks, you can easily qualify the gate. So maths and general aptitude is very important, very much important. So by using that, you will get the 2 marks. So out of that 40 plus or qualifying marks you required, you will getting the 2 marks easily. Now next question, numbers with 0 with repetition. So we have to repeat that numbers. So question is, how many 5-digit number, how many 5-digit code, not the number, how many 5 digits codes can be created, how many 5-digit codes can be created by using the digits 0 to 9 if repetition is allowed. Here we are not getting the numbers, we have to form the codes. So codes can be start with a 0. The codes can be start with a 0. Right? So 0 to 9. How many? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are having a 10 numbers. 10 numbers we are having, and we have to form a 5-digit code. And here the repetition is allowed with 0 repetition. So 5-digit code, how we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit code we have to form. So how many 5-digit code? The code can be start with a 0. Here not the number. Here we are having a code we need to form. So there is a possibility that all 10 numbers will become at first position. All 10 numbers. Yes, Asiya, you are right. 4, 5, 3, 6. Might be there is a lag in a chat. Based on that, you are getting, I am getting your answer late. But your answer is right. Now find out the answer for this one. All 10 numbers will become at the first position because we need to form a code, 5-digit code. So code can start with a 0. As we know, we are getting to change a password, or you want to write a password. So password we can start with a 0. Same, the digit code can start with a 0. So all 10 numbers will come at first position. As we are given the condition, the repetition is allowed. So we can use whatever the number is used in the first position in the second position. So which all the numbers will come at second position. So 10 numbers will come at second position. And third position all 10 numbers will become. Fourth position all 10 numbers will become. Fifth position all 10 numbers will become. So there is a possibility that all 10 numbers will come at first position, second position, third position, fourth position and fifth position. So based on that we are getting 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5, what is the answer? So for from this one we have to write 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our final answer. So 1 lakh 5-digit codes can be created by using the digit 0 to 9 if repetition is allowed. If the repetition is allowed. Here not numbers, we have to form the codes, and the code whenever you are finding out, the 0 can be come at first position. So you have to understand the example very effectively, and if you are understanding the example, and based on that you will get your answer. So 1 lakh possible 5-digit codes can be formed. So if you are getting all the points, you can solve these homeworks, and whatever the points we are discussed, based on that, using the tricks or the formula whichever you want, you can use that and you will get the answer, and whatever the answers you are getting, put that in the chat box. So example 1, how many different 4-digit numbers can be arranged by using 0, 2, 4, 6 as no digit being repeated? And example 2, how many different 3-digit numbers can be arranged by using 1, 3, 5 and 7 as digit being repeated? So whatever the answers you are getting for this homework, you can put into the chat box. We will discuss that homework in a second part also. Whatever the answers we are getting in the for this homework, we will discuss in a second part. So here we will stop. Hope you are getting all the points we are discussed. And next part, in the part second, we are going to discuss the word types. What are the different word types of problem we are getting, and based on that we will solve some numericals which are coming into the different exams for the GATE exam, and you will get the 2 and 4 marks very easily by using the permutation. Others points also we are going to discuss. For that you have to stay connected and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you are liking all the points, you can put into the like button. Thank you very much.